Justice Secretary Boying Remulla reveals that a group within the PNP CIDG tried to pressure the victims' families into signing affidavits that shift blame to whistleblower Julie Dondon Patidongan. He says a CIDG service director was relieved from his post over actions that could compromise the case. A source tells us only one director involved in the case was removed this week, General Romeo Macapas.
Kaya na-relieve na yung service director ng CIDG. Yung sinasabi ko service director na hihingi namin, yun, tinanggal na yung service director ng CIDG.
Patidongan also confirms it was Macapas who pushed to reverse the narrative and frame him as the mastermind in the disappearance of dozens of cockfight enthusiasts. Macapas, meanwhile, denies the allegation, calling it a deliberate smear.
Walang katotohanan at I am vehemently denying kung anong sinasabi nila against me. Una, hindi ako na-relieve dahil sa kung anong dahilan. Ako mismo ang nagkiusap na ilipat ako dahil hindi ko na magamit yung posisyon bilang CIDG director. Dahil hindi na ako mapopromote. 10 months na lang ako. Alam natin lahat tayo naghahanap ng hustisya. Pero kung ang hustisya ay piliin lang natin, mahirap din siguro. Dahil hindi pa ako nasisira sa trabaho. Hindi ako nasisilaw sa pera.
Remulla confirms more human remains were recovered from Taal Lake as search operations for the missing Sabongeros resume.
May ngipin na kasama. Hindi lang kasama yung pangay, yung lower jaw, pero yung upper teeth kasama. So baka sakaling may makuha tayo dito. Buong-buo pa yung nakakabit pa sa skull. So baka doon sa ngipin mismo may DNA pa.